Okay, let's underline some good keywords. Well, the keyword here we have is going to be the position of the particle at t equals 1 and t equals 4. Is it on freeze? Okay. So that will be flashcard number 6B. Let's kind of mimic what's happening. So we're going to find the integral. What's my lower bound? 1. What's my upper bound? 4. And it is v of t dt. And then what minus what? Mm-hmm. So we have v of 4 minus v of 1. And let's isolate everything on this one. So we're looking for on this one, there's a mistake on this one actually. If I go from v, shouldn't that be the position? Yeah, that should be my x. And I'm going to reiterate that one more time with the flashcard. The derivative of f of b is f prime. The derivative of the position is velocity. Do we agree on that? PVA. And then the derivative of the velocity is acceleration. Oh God, it's hot in here. Okay, let's plug in what I know. And I want to actually isolate this guy here first. We have x of 4 using algebra. So we have x of 1 plus the integral. And then let's put on here, we have x of 1. What's the value of x of 1 given to us? -3. How many points do you think they're going to give us for this right here? 1, just like the last one. And then plus the integral from 1 to 4 vt. And I want to see if I need to use this function one more time because I kind of want to save it then. Yes, we do. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to y2. You can save it on y1. It's completely up to you. You can save it on y3 if you want to. That's also up to you. I want to save this function right here on y2. So we have the natural log of x squared minus 4x plus 5. I hope everyone's typing with me. Minus 0.2x. Because I'm going to do the bars, y bar, and so on. So here I go. If you have the formula already on y2, give me a thumbs up. So I'm going to go to my home screen. Okay? On my home screen, I'm going to type exactly as I see right here. I see a -3. I see a plus sign. My integral is going to be math what number? 9. Math 9. Lower bound of 1. Upper bound of 4. Oh, I said 1 and I wrote 0. And then I don't have to type the whole function in. And I'm doing this because on part D, I want to borrow this function again. So let's kind of practice. You go to vars. And then where do I go? Y vars. The function. Where did I save my function? Y2. And then all that is saved. And when I press enter, I should get some value of negative number. So negative 2.82. Oh, let's do 03. For the AP test sake, what if I choose to terminate at 2? Is that allowed? Yes, you can. Okay? But if you use a rounding method, that also works out. So our point system, your initial one is going to be how many points? Does that sound like number 1 that we did? Okay? And then having the whole integral right here, all that is going to give you how many? 1 point again. And the final answer is going to give you 1 point. Is everyone good with that? Okay? All right. So from there, I feel like I'm missing a unit. What unit should this be? We're finding x value. Calculation, particle is moving. They didn't really give us a value of the units, right? Let's put unit then, U. Usually they'll give us feet, centimeters, and so on. I don't see it unless I'm blind. Okay, if you're ready to move on to part D, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so hopefully by now you're like, well, C was doable. Give me a nod if it was doable. It was literally like the last one. Okay, on part D, Lily, go ahead and read. Someone's talking. Repeat it. Read again. Okay, let's underline total distance. Total distance is the integral of the absolute value of the velocity at all times. And if you're like, well, I did not write that on the flashcard number 10B has it right on there. Okay? So let's go ahead and write out what we see right here. So I have, it is the integral. What's my lower bound? 1. What's my upper bound? 4. And it's the absolute value of v of t. Didn't we already say v of t a while ago? I don't have to type that in again. You can if you want to, but that's going to waste your time. So let's go to our calc. Everyone go to Math 9. And I see about 5 of you guys not typing in. Know that I notice. And then let's kind of recall how we found the variable or the function. Where do I go? Vars. And then where do I go? Y vars. And then function. And we select y2. Do you have to put it on y2? You don't have to. For some reason for me, I save y1 at all times because when you find intersection at some point, it's going to be very helpful. And then we have x. Oh, hello. Go all the way over. And I have point. Oh, y'all, what did I mess up somewhere? Someone said it, absolute value? So Math 9. I forgot the absolute value as I already had it on the paper. Sad. Do y'all know where to find the absolute value on the calc? Math? Numeric and absolute value. And then I could do the vars thing. And that should give me a different number, but still kind of small. That's better. 0.9, how many if we were to write this out? 0.9. And did it say to round to a specific number? Nope. So 0.958. And let's see our point system on this one. The whole velocity with the absolute value in the integral is 1 point, and your final answer is 1 point. So I want